Hey y'all, it's your girl Lala. Welcome again to my backyard, guys. So guys, today I'm gonna chop down my papaya tree. So my papaya tree, as you can see, there are no leaves and the tree is dead. So we're gonna take off the papayas that are on there and we're gonna chop it down. Guys, I don't know where my husband is. Honey, can you come chop the tree down? Like, seriously? Honey, can you pick off the papaya, please?
I'm gonna do that.
You act as if you like the papaya.
Of course I'm gonna eat it.
Honey, give me that one. What you put it over there for?
It's rocky.
So guys, I'm going to use this green papaya to make some more, menu dishes. I don't know what I'm going to really use them to do, guys. But, honey, seriously?
Yeah.
Honey, you don't have to. You're so full of it. You don't have to do all that foolishness. He's so funny. Look at this, guys. Look at You're so full of it. Oh gosh.
This is it.
Oh gosh. It's so crazy.
Let me see. I can push it down first.
And that thing got a deep root in it. Has a big root. It is so strong. What you should do is jump on it now. And be careful. Remember the sprinkler line, so you gotta be careful on it. But you chop it. You don't know how far it gone, and you don't want to mess up any sprinkler line. Honey, don't do that. Just chop it. Chop it. Yeah. But the center of that root thing, it is deep into the ground. And see, there goes a sprinkler line over there, the sprinkler head. So you know the line can be very close. So don't do it like how you're doing it right now. Honey, I keep telling you you keep doing it. You can't do it like that, honey. Just chop the base.
Well, I want to get the root out of the ground.
But you're not going to get the root out like that. It's very deeply rooted.
Right.
You can't just pull it out like that. A big old tree like this. See? You don't want to damage the sprinkler line, you know.
Where is the sprinkler line?
See the sprinkler right here? You don't want to mess with this.
That goes that way.
It doesn't matter, hon. Just please.
I didn't want to leave the root in the ground. That's why. I didn't want to leave the root. See? It's just right here. Nothing underneath here. See there?
Honey.
See there, honey? I'm telling you. Nothing is there. I'm telling you nothing is there. See that? See there? That's it.
You can't just leave whatever's in the ground because then it will just stay there and rot. You can pick up those pieces, you know. Honey, throw that green papaya over there in the bungle.
This one?
Yeah.
See? All these roots are out.
Oh wow.
See?
Kind of shallow.
Yeah, because you see the root went on top, not down.
Because it was looking for water. Wow. Probably should just plant one right here so again. Because I'm going to replant another one. Mm? That's a good papaya throat, you know?
That's now good. Look, trees all up.
Wow, that's a big base right there. Be careful, you know? Wow. Look at that base. Wow. So the bottom of it looks like that.
Yeah, because you see the root didn't go all the way down.
Wow.
It spread.
It does send out those two big tentacles out. Looks like tentacles, but it's roots. You know why? Because there's not so much water in the sand. So like every time I'm watering the garden, so the roots them run and try to find where water is. That's the reason why. Hard, huh?
It's not hard, you know, but
wow.
alright, that's the end of the papaya.
So that's it right there. So guys, I'm gonna put right here, I'm gonna put another papaya tree. I'm gonna put two actually, because I have so many seeds at the front, so many seedlings. So I'm gonna put two right here. And so guys, this is my other lemongrass plant. So I'm going to, you know, give this one a nice haircut, tidy it up a bit, so it can get ready to spring back for the spring. So that's it. Awesome job, Gary.
Thank you.
Thank you. So now we're getting some more tomatoes, guys. We have some more tomatoes to harvest. So guys, that white powder you see on my tomato plant, that's the ash from my grill. So growing up in Jamaica, that's one of the things that, you know, I saw my grandmother doing. She would put the ashes on the plants, and that will kind of keep away the worms and stuff. And also someone told me about it as well. Someone reminded me of it. So I have some ash in my grill on yesterday, And so I did that. There's some right here on. And down below. There's quite a few on here today.
You can get right there. You can get over this side there.
Me?
Yeah.
If I can come around? No, you can.
No, I mean right down there. If you can come around there.
No.
So they, I mean, you're not going to see the ones on the back here.
It's okay.
Alright. So you got a few back here now.
Yeah, pick them.
But can you see?
No, it's okay. Just pick them. And there's some right there, right by, be careful of the tree on.